Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center. We're happy to service all your car and truck service and repair needs. We're open 7 days per week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have mechanics on duty Monday through Saturday. We've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing longtime customers, even the adult kids of those we serviced years ago. Come in, call, schedule an appointment today.
Most cars have at least 2 belts that help run the engine, and keeping them functioning is vital to your vehicle's operation. V-belts come off the crankshaft of the engine to drive the alternator, the air conditioner, the power steering pump, and the water pump. Though less common in newer autos, the V-belt's greatest advantage is that there are more than one of them. If one of them breaks, it's likely your vehicle will still operate so that you can drive it in to see us. A serpentine belt is a single, long belt that drives all the engine components that would otherwise be powered by multiple V-belts. If a serpentine belt is failing, accessories may not work properly. The car may be hard to start or not start at all, and the belt may emit a squeaking, screeching, or chirping sound. A timing belt tends to be in all vehicles and replaces the timing chain of olden days. If a timing belt is failing, your car may idle rough, or you may hear a slapping sound from the motor compartment. If it fails, your car will not work at all. Causes can include wear, slipping, or fluid contamination. Let us help you keep all your belts up to date.
I'm Brad Heimbigner. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why we offer monthly car tips videos.